Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Natural Clarifier. What is BioGuard Natural Clarifier? BioGuard Natural Clarifier is part of BioGuard's Improved category. This once-a-week clarifier keeps water clear and sparkling without the risk of overdosing your pool. Natural Clarifier is a concentrated formula that is dye and fragrance-free and works with all pool surfaces and treatments. Product benefits: biodegradable and contains no dye or fragrance. Works with natural ingredient Chitosan, made from crustacean exoskeletons, to capture sediment particles. Suitable for all pool surface types and all treatment types. Dosage: 1 fluid ounce per 5,000 gallons of water per week. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.